Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a what I eat in a day. Very basic, you know my videos on what I eat in a day. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Brenda and I live a keto carnivore lifestyle. I've been doing it for almost a year. August will be a year. And if you are returning, thank you for supporting me and welcome back. All right, so in today's video, like I said, it's going to be lunch and dinner, what I'll be showing you. And again, mine are pretty much repetitive, easy, but healthy. All right, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to have ground beef for lunch and only ground beef. I am slowly cutting some things, I would say, down, getting maybe a little bit stricter. I'm not going to add any cheese to it. It's just going to be plain ground beef. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with that and show you. So the way I'm splitting up my protein is between lunch and dinner. So I'll have about 8 ounces of ground beef, about 6 to 8, depending what I can finish. And then I'm not going to be hungry probably till about 5 or so. And I'll show you what I'm making for dinner. All right, so let's go ahead and get started for lunch. All right, here we go. This is my lunch. It came out to about 8.3 ounces if you saw my scale. And I do weigh it out. I'm starting to weigh out my protein. I just want to make sure I'm getting enough and enough calories because, you know, this way of eating, sometimes I don't feel like eating and I need to make sure that I'm getting all my calorie intake. I don't want to, in other words, I don't want to be below because that's when things can start happening, like hair loss and just unhealthy stuff. So that's why I waited out. But I will see you for dinner. Oh, and to drink, I am having electrolytes. I'm having, I think it is mango. I can't remember. I'll list it down here. And that's what I'm having for lunch. Okay guys, it is that time. It is dinner. It is 4:52 and I'm going to have ground beef. However, I'm gonna make burgers and I'm gonna have 2 tonight and I'm gonna make 2 for tomorrow for my lunch. So it'll be a little bit easier during my lunchtime. I don't have to waste time cooking. So I'm gonna have that and I'm gonna have it with cheese. So I'm cutting down on cheese. I'm trying not to include cheese on a lot of things now, just like I gave up butter And I talked about the reasons why in my last, one of my last videos, and I can link it here for you to watch. But as far as cheese goes, it's just one of those things where if I'm not trying to lose weight, but if I'm gaining, which I was, that's why I cut out butter, just eating it and, you know, certain times. Well, with cheese too, I've also heard that the calories can creep up with cheese, so I'm not having it on everything. I'm kind of cutting down on the cheese. I'm just not adding extra fat, if that makes sense. So tonight, since I am having a burger, I'm gonna have cheese on it. So anyway, we'll go ahead and get started with that. All right, so I have my ground beef right here. I've got the cheese and I've got everything ready here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the heat started. I'll put it here on medium heat, get that started. Okay guys, I've got my cheeseburgers. I've got 2 of them. They really shrunk, if you could see that. I don't know, I might have to have a 3rd patty, but I measured out, if you saw me in the video, 8 ounces, so 4 each, and then I measured out 8 ounces again for tomorrow, so I can split it up evenly. And like I said earlier, I am measuring out my protein. I don't want to have too much or too little. And to drink, I am having unsweet tea, and this is one of my favorite teas from my local grocery store, H-E-B. It's Redmond unsweetened. So this will be my dinner. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and help my channel grow. I will see you next time.